Plot like a boss. HP DesignJet T210 24-inch plotter. Prints big, sips ink, slaps hard. Tired of plotters that guzzle ink, jam at will, and eat your patience for breakfast? Meet the HP DesignJet T210, your new drafting deity. Whether you're an architect, engineer, mapmaker, or just someone who likes posters the size of small countries, this sleek 24-inch beast delivers razor-sharp lines, vivid color, and layout perfection. It prints big, stays quiet, and doesn't throw tantrums. HP Click makes job submission smoother than butter, and dynamic security ensures you're not duped by shady cartridges. This ain't just a printer, it's a precision plotter with an attitude and a mission. Why fumble with clunky tech when this plotter was practically raised in a lab of logic and laser-focused design? With Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB connectivity, plus support for a buffet of file formats, PDF, JPEG, TIFF, you name it, the T210 cuts the nonsense and handles business. Auto-nesting, error checking, and one-click file drops mean you're printing smarter, not harder. Combine that with HP's 2400 by 1200 optimized DPI and you've got crispy clarity even your grandma could admire, without squinting. Posters, renders, and maps just gotta glow up. Still thinking about that overpriced clunker from competitor X? Let's talk cold, hard facts. The T210 uses up to 95% less ink during maintenance compared to those ink-chugging dinosaurs, and prints a D/A1 page in 45 seconds. That's 59 prints per hour, baby. Plus, the optional accessories like an automatic sheet feeder and stand mean you scale your setup without buying a whole new machine. Whether you're scaling technical drawings or sewing patterns, this thing adapts like a plotter-shaped ninja. And don't sweat the tech. The HP T210 is compact, responsibly built, and won't hijack your workspace. You'll save time, energy, and yes, even plastic. Pair it with the HP Smart app for remote control wizardry straight from your phone. Print from anywhere, dominate deadlines from your desk, couch, or beach chair, because who said plotting had to be boring? With 500 megabytes of RAM, this mini monster eats large format tasks for breakfast and asks for seconds. You want precision? You want speed? You want a sexy little printer that makes your workflow smoother than a jazz sax solo? This is it. Affordable, durable, tech-approved, and environmentally sensible. From sewing geeks to CAD freaks, this plotter's got your back. And let's not forget, backed by HP's friendly support and 1-year warranty. Plot smarter. Work faster. Rule your projects like an absolute legend.